Gagasi FM News.
Amaqembu ezepolitiki aphikisayo asezwakalisa ukungayithakaseli inkulumo kaNdunankulu wakulesi sifundazwe uSihle Zikalala ebhekiswe esifundazweni lapho eveza khona ukuthi ngabe uhlahlomali luzosebenza kanjani eKZN kulonyaka. Amaqembu asho kanje esishayamithetho eMaritzburg maphakathi nesifundazwe lapho uZikalala athule khona inkulumo yeminyaka yonke ebhekiswe esifundazweni SOPA. IDA, IFP kanye ne-AFF bathi lenkulumo intekenteke njengoba ingavezi isisombululo eziyaphambili.
The SOPA also lacked concrete plans to immediately bring relief to our people who are experiencing the rising unemployment as well as the effects of the COVID-19.
And it fails to understand that the biggest problem is that they employ their friends and they deploy their cadres who has no capacity whatsoever to spend the money. That's why most of the money ends up going to consultants.
Unfortunately, the Premier didn't say anything about the vaccine in terms of the plan moving forward. If you look at the economy, he spoke about projects that are already existing, less about what is the plan moving forward.
Ezindabeni zeGagasi FM ngingunompendulo Ngubane ebika esesishayamithetho ePietermaritzburg.
Gagasi FM News.